Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these sliced fried potatoes known as viazi bajia in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. With this recipe, you will need about 3 to 4 large potatoes. Peel and cut them into thin slices as you can see them in the bowl so it can be easier to cook inside. Then afterwards, add 1 sliced onion and a bit of coriander leaves and sprinkle some salt to taste. Then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of garam flour and give it a quick mix. And lastly, pour some water bit by a bit while mixing till you get a medium thickness batter. Your mixture has to look like this and your potatoes are ready to be deep fried in the oil. Make sure the oil is too hot before putting the potatoes in. Start scooping out the potato slices separately and placing them in the heated oil. Repeat until you fill the frying pan with the coated garam flour potatoes. Shuffle the potatoes around until the potatoes are super soft and crispy. Once your potatoes are soft and have this amazing golden color, then your potatoes are ready. Remove them from the oil and place them on a plate with a tissue so that the oil gets into the tissue. And your fried potatoes are ready. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with chutney sauce or tamarind sauce and enjoy them. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.